Stop. Before you even think about buying a new iPad, you need to hear this. Something is happening inside Apple's headquarters in Cupertino that is about to change the way we look at budget tablets forever. For years, the base model iPad was the safe choice, the one you bought for your kids, for school, or just to watch Netflix. It was reliable, but let's be honest, it was a bit boring. But 2026 is different. The iPad 12th generation isn't just a minor refresh. It's a complete strategic pivot. We are talking about a device that bridges the gap between the affordable and the professional in a way we've never seen. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you've been feeling like your current tablet is slowing down, or if you're eyeing that expensive iPad Air, wait. Because the 12th gen iPad is coming to steal the spotlight, and it's bringing features that were, until now, locked behind a $1,000 paywall. Let's talk about the heart of the matter. Silicon. For the first time in history, Apple is putting a chip inside their entry-level iPad that doesn't just keep up, it dominates. We are looking at the A19 chip. Yes, you heard that right. The same powerhouse expected to drive the iPhone 17. Now, why does this matter to you? It's not just about opening apps faster. It's about a fundamental shift in what this tablet can actually do. We're talking about Apple Intelligence. Until now, if you wanted the full suite of Apple's AI, the smart writing tools, the advanced Siri, the image generation, you had to pay a premium. But with the iPad 12, Apple is democratizing AI. They are putting the future of computing into the hands of everyone, not just the pro users. Imagine a $350 tablet that can outperform most laptops on the market today. That is the reality of the iPad 12. But speed is nothing without a canvas to show it off. Let's address the elephant in the room, the display. For years, the base iPad has been criticized for its non-laminated screen. That tiny air gap between the glass and the pixels that makes it feel just a little bit cheaper. Well, the leaks from the supply chain are pointing to a massive change. While it might stay as a liquid retina LCD to keep costs down, the optimization of the 11-inch panel is reaching its peak. We are seeing reports of significantly higher brightness levels, potentially hitting 600 nits, and a refined bezel design that makes the screen feel even more immersive. This isn't just a window, it's a portal. Whether you're a student taking notes with the Apple Pencil or an artist sketching your first masterpiece, the responsiveness of the A19 combined with this refined display is going to feel like magic. And speaking of the Apple Pencil, this is where it gets really interesting. There are rumors, strong ones, that Apple is finally streamlining the accessory experience. No more confusing adapters. No more which pencil works with which iPad headaches. The iPad 12 is expected to fully embrace the USB-C ecosystem with a magnetic charging solution that actually makes sense. It's about time, right? But the upgrades don't stop at the surface. Underneath that sleek aluminum chassis, Apple is rumored to be doubling the base storage. Goodbye 64 gigabytes. Hello 128 gigabytes as the standard. In a world of high-res photos, 4K videos, and massive AI models,